Hello students, welcome to lecture Community Medicine. Topic is primary healthcare. There are three levels of healthcare: primary, secondary and tertiary. Today we will see primary healthcare level. According to declaration of Alma Ata, definition of primary healthcare is essential healthcare based on practical, scientifically sound and socially acceptable methods and technology made universally accessible to individuals and families in the community through their full participation and at a cost that the community and country can afford to maintain every stage of their development in the spirit of self-determination. According to WHO, primary health care is essential health care made universally accessible to individuals and acceptable to them through their full participation and cost of the community and country can afford. Evolution of primary health care. In post-independent era in 1947, when the Boer Committee brought its recommendations to provide comprehensive health care services to the people in rural areas through the network of primary health centers. A short-term plan was formulated. Alma Ata Declaration in 1978 launched primary health care. Recommendations of Alma Ata Conference are to incorporate and strengthen the primary health care with other sectors. The health services should be comprehensive and community participation and appropriate technology. Okay. Strengthen and support primary health care through various sectors. Maximize care to the special risk groups, training, proper use of resources, continuous supply of drugs and proper managerial process, includes planning, organization, monitoring and evaluation of health services. Now Health for All in 2000 AD. Health for All by WHO definition, it is the attainment of a level of health that will enable every individual to lead a socially and economically productive life. Health for all. Okay, we will go fast. This health for all, we will focus on primary health care. Okay, you can read this. There are goals for health for all: to reduce infant mortality rate, expectation of life, crude death rate and net reproductive rate, and evaluation of HFA, right? Evaluation of health for all. Also important point is national health policy. This is also very important for primary health care, and national health policy prioritizes these things: nutrition, prevention of food adulteration and quality of drugs, water supply and sanitation, environmental protection. Okay, and other things are also there. There are also goals for reduction of bad habits and bad disorders. These are goals for reduction of indicators. And morbidity, diseases also reduced or up to what date and year. And also National Rural Health Mission is also part of primary health care. Okay. Okay, this national health care. Now Healthy People 2020. This is also for primary health care level activity. Healthy People 2020. Now we will focus on primary health care. The elements of primary health care are education, locally endemic disease control, expanded program immunization, maternal and child health, environmental sanitation, nutritional services, treatment of minor ailments, school health services, and also there are extended elements for primary health care. These expanded elements are expanded options of immunization, reproductive health needs, provision of essential technologies, health for all, prevention and control of non-communicable diseases, food safety and provision of selected food supplements. Now we will see the principles for primary health care. Equity in healthcare, that is health available for all, available to all, and available by all, affordable to all. Then community involvement, focus on prevention, appropriate technology, meaning is scientifically sound, acceptable technology, compatible technology, adaptable and understandable. Multi-sectoral approach is also important for primary health care. Now we will see the strategies of primary health care. Accessibility, availability, affordability and acceptability of health services. Health services are delivered where the people are. One community health worker per 10 to 20 households. Use of traditional medicines. Now provision of quality basic and essential health services. Training, attitudes, knowledge and skill develop. Regular monitoring and periodic evaluation. Community participation, meaning is awareness on health and health related issues. It is done by a community participation. Planning, implementation, monitoring, evaluation done through small group meetings. Selection of community health workers, formation of health committees, establishment of a community health organization, mass health campaigns and mobilization. Self-reliance, this is community generates support for health programs, use of local resources, training of community in leadership and management skills, incorporation of income generating projects, cooperatives and small scale industries. Recognition of interrelationship of health and development. Convergence of health, food, nutrition, water, sanitation and population services. Integration of PSC into national, regional, provisional, municipal development plans. Coordination of activities with economic planning, education, agriculture, in using public works, communication, social services. Establishment of an effective health referral system. Another important strategy is social mobilization. These are all strategies for primary health care. And social mobilization is establishment of an effective health referral system. Multi-sectoral and interdisciplinary linkages. Information, education and communication. Collaboration between government and non-governmental organizations. Primary health center strategy is decentralization also. Decentralization is real allocation of budgetary resources, reorientation of health professional and primary health center, advocacy for political and support from national leadership down. Okay, see this model of primary health care, and this model caters on health for all. Primary health care is environmental, economic, political, education and communication, health services and nutrition. Now we will see primary health care status in India. At village level, we can see village health guides, local ties, Anganwadi workers, and Ashas. At sub-center level, maternal health care, counseling and appropriate adolescent health care, assistance to school health services, promotion of sanitation, field visits, community need assessment, curative services, training, implementation of national health programs. Primary health center level, that is PSC. Okay, PSC is short form of PSC is PSC. Primary health center short form is PSC and not primary health care short form. There is no short form for primary health care. There is short form for primary health center. Activities in PSCs are medical care, MCH including family planning, safe water supply and basic sanitation, prevention and control of locally endemic diseases, collection and reporting of vital statistics, education about health, national health programs, referral services, training of health guides, health workers, local DIs and health assistants, and basic laboratory services. Requirement for a sound PSC is appropriateness, availability, adequacy, accessibility, acceptability, affordability, accessibility, accountability, completeness, comprehensiveness, and continuity. Community Health Center level, CSC, care for routine emergency, 24-hour delivery service, essential and emergency obstetric care, full range of family planning services, safe abortion services, newborn care, routine and emergency care of sick children, foreign body removal, tracheostomy, etc., and implementation of national health programs. Now, current trend of primary health care is combine country efforts and policy instruments with global reach, integrated service delivery models, financing universal coverage, human resources for health medicines, infrastructure and technology, and health governance. Just see existing weakness in implementation of primary health care, minimum policy and organizational commitment, poorly defined functions, poor selection, deficiencies in training and continuing education, lack of support and supervision, unknown, uncertain working conditions. Okay. Under undetermined cost and sources of finance, lack of monitoring and evaluation, lack of transport facilities, insecurity of female staff, inadequate supply of drugs and stationaries, and medical officers are not interested to work in rural areas. Now, issues and challenges of PSC in India. PSC means Primary Health Center. Inadequate human resources, failure to deliver universality, failure to deliver effectively, poor leadership, public regard and professional status. Funding models are unresponsive, fail to ensure treatments are effectively distributed and universally available for common serious acute diseases, lack of effective information system. Now, challenges are the changing environment, advances in health and technology, lack of health personnel, and double burden of the disease. Role of nurse in primary health care. These are the role of nurses: collaborator, advisor, consultant, advocate, and preventer of illnesses. Thank you.